Alright, I'm sitting in my truck. And yeah, Wyatt's just looking at me. I want to look away. Whoa. How do I flip it around?
What?
How do I flip the video camera around?
I don't know. Turn it on its side. Turn it on its side.
Nothing. Any idea?
What's up? You gotta push the button. Wait, I gotta put my eyes and glasses on.
There's a button. It's normally up here.
No, it's not. There it is.
Where?
Look at this.
That makes it go from video to camera.
No, not that. Push that.
This?
No. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude, turn that off. Hello, I'm Ozzy Osbourne, and I'm the Prince of Darkness.
Nice. Alright, like for real, I don't...
Alright, this better not go on. Hey, get that douchebag.
How's it going? What's your name? Baron?
Darren.
Oh, Darren. Oh, okay. Some dude in my truck, I don't even know who it is. Alright, that's cool. Alright, rolling out.
English rapist.
Rolling out.